Hi everybody, welcome back to the vlog. I'm really glad you're here. Today I'm making white goulash, which is a family favorite recipe. I will leave the list of ingredients below. The first thing I'm going to do is brown a pound of ground beef. I'm going to add 2 cans of cream of celery soup. You can use cream of mushroom if you prefer. I don't particularly care for cream of mushroom, so I use cream of celery. And then I'm going to add the cream cheese once the soup is completely incorporated into the ground beef. I'm just breaking that cream cheese, that brick of cream cheese, into smaller pieces so it melts easier and faster and is easier for me to incorporate into the rest of the sauce. This recipe is again one of those really good base recipes that you can add to if you like. For instance, when you're browning your ground beef, you could add some onions to it. If you want fresh vegetables in there, you could add fresh peas or broccoli or cauliflower as the cream cheese is melting and let that heat all the way through. Really anything that you like, you can incorporate into this. It makes a really good starting point. Now my water's come to a boil. I'm going to add a pound of pasta to the salted water, and I'm choosing the large elbow macaroni noodles. You can also use egg noodles, that's what my mom likes, or you can use the large shells. They collect a lot of the sauce, and that's a really good option as well. Just go ahead and put that in your water and cook to suit your taste. Some people like the pasta very, very well done. Some people like it al dente, so it's entirely up to you when you consider that pasta fully cooked. Once your pasta is cooked, give it a good drain. Bring your pan back to the stove and mix that sauce in. Stir it really well. Make sure all of that pasta is thoroughly coated in that sauce. You can serve this with crusty bread. You can serve this with a salad at the beginning. I'm just going to tell you right now, in our house, we don't fool around. This is one of our favorite recipes, and we don't want anything else but the white goulash. We had 4 of us for dinner that night, and as I was mixing up the sauce and the pasta, I had everybody standing behind me in a line just anxiously waiting for dinner to be finished. So I'm sorry I didn't get a great close-up of this meal, but I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Trust me when I tell you it's going to become a family favorite of yours as well. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment below. We'll talk soon, okay? You guys have a great day.